Hello learners, this is Excel with Habeeba. Let's start today's class perspectives in teacher education under that second topic teacher empowerment, and the subtopic is professional development of teachers and teacher organizations. Now professional development of teachers, that is it provides an opportunity for teachers to grow their knowledge and sharpen their skills, which can lead to better student outcomes, which is the ultimate goal of any organization or school or institution. So professional development for teachers is crucial for ensuring they remain effective, engaged and equipped with the latest knowledge and skills to meet the evolving needs of students. So teacher organizations play a significant role in facilitating professional development opportunities and advocating for the professional interests of educators. Now here's how both aspects of contribute to the ongoing growth and support of teachers. Let's see one by one. First of all, continuing education programs, that means offering workshops, seminars, conferences and courses on various topics such as pedagogy, subject specific instruction, classroom management and educational technology keeps teachers updated with the latest research and best practices. Now secondly, collaborative learning communities, that means creating opportunities for teachers to collaborate with peers through professional learning communities, that is PLCs, study groups or mentoring programs fosters a culture of sharp learning and professional growth. Thirdly, technology integration training, that means providing training on how to effectively integrate technology into teaching practices empowers teachers to leverage digital tools for enhanced learning experiences. Now the fourth one is leadership development, that means offering leadership development programs enables teachers to take on leadership roles within their schools or districts, such as department heads, curriculum coordinators or instructional coaches. Now the fifth one is specialized training, that means providing specialized training for teachers working with diverse students populations such as English language learners, students with disabilities or gifted and talented students ensures that all students receive equitable and inclusive education. Next one is sixth one, reflective practice, that means encouraging teachers to engage in reflective practice such as we can say for example self-assessment, peer observation and action research promotes continuous improvement and self-awareness in teaching practice. Now the seventh one is support for advanced degrees, that means supporting teachers in pursuing advanced degrees such as master's degrees or doctoral studies enhances their expertise and credibility in their field. Now let's see role of teachers organization in fostering professionalism. First of all, what about teacher organization? Any organization of employees which includes teachers in membership, they foster the welfare and security of their members, then facilitate information exchange and generate and promote codes of conduct. Those are the teacher organizations. Now let's see the role of teacher organization in fostering professionalism. Coming to that role of teacher organization, as pointed out earlier, the three major functions of teachers organizations are: number one, fostering professionalism; two, organizing teachers for social action; three, representing the teachers' causes and views. Now let us discuss these functions at length. One of the most important functions of teachers organizations is to bring out professional growth of its members as well as teaching community at large so that education as a whole flourishes. Now it is pertinent to mention here about the National Commission on Teachers that was formed in the year 1983. The commission had collected opinions of different teacher organizations at secondary and primary stages in India regarding their activities for professional growth of member teachers. Now, some of the activities, let's see which are the activities here mentioned. Number one, organize seminars and symposia. Second, run orientations and in-service courses. 3, form subject teacher associations. 4th, help teachers in conducting examinations. And then 5th one, run regular training courses for teachers once in 2 years. Then publication of a monthly paper like Madhya Pradesh Shikshak Samachar, then monthly Adhyapak Lokam by Teachers Association Kerala are the examples. Then provide literature on academic matters of large interest. Now nextly, form academic council and then publish a monthly souvenir, then conduct research work, then organize special seminars and meetings to enforce code of conduct among its members. So this is all about the activities which were mentioned. Now nextly, professional development of teachers organizations. When we are talking about, before that we should know the teacher organizations at higher education level also need emphasis on this professionalism. Now what are the points we need to remember? Let's have a quick look. That is, raise the standards of research, creating conducting environment for research. Then organize seminars, symposia, as we have discussed earlier. Same way here also in higher education, debates and workshops to improve each in indulge in education. Then form subject teacher associations to strengthen various disciplines. Then form interdisciplinary associations to exchange views and opinions. Then invite experts from different disciplines to address the teaching community. Then innovations and new developments also. Then help in building the curriculum. Then conduct of examinations and evaluation. Then publish monthly journal, papers and newsletters, evolve a code of conduct or professional ethics for its members and the academic community to follow. So these are all the things we need to keep in our mind. So now let's see professional development of teacher organization, that is professional development programs help the educators with not only adding new skill sets to their resumes but also learning new teaching tools and techniques and building professional relationships. Now what are the things these organizations need to keep in mind? That let's discuss here one by one. Number one, that is advocacy. That means teacher organizations advocate for policies and practices that support teachers' professional interests such as fair compensation, manageable workloads and access to resources at support services. Secondly, networking opportunities. That means teacher organizations provide networking opportunities for educators to connect with colleagues, share ideas and collaborate on projects or initiatives. Thirdly, professional resources. That means teacher organizations offer access to professional resources such as publications, research journals, online forums and instructional materials to support teachers in their professional development. Now fourthly, professional standards and ethics. That means teacher organizations establish and promote professional standards and codes of ethics that guide teachers' conduct and practice. Fifthly, policy influence. That means teacher organizations work to influence education policies at local, state and national levels to ensure that they reflect teachers' perspectives and support effective teaching and learning practices. Lastly, the sixth one, legal support. That is providing legal support and representation for teachers that is facing professional challenges such as disciplinary actions or contract disputes helps protect teachers' rights and interests. So, by investing in professional development opportunities and engaging with teacher organizations, educators can continue to grow and thrive in their careers, ultimately benefiting both themselves and their students. So this is all about the professional development of teachers and teacher organizations. If you like the class, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for your attention and time. Happy learning.